What's happening YouTube with Tech TRX back in our video? Today we're looking at the Powervision S1 gimbal for any smartphone. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the Powervision S1 can do. Here we go. We're going to unbox this today and see how well it does on our iPhone 13 Pro. Now, it's pretty good packaging by Powervision, as you can see here. The front is pretty much covered like so, and it's also a instruction manual. Pretty handy to do. There's also the gimbal right here. Let's put it away. See here, it's pretty small. Let's see what else is in the box. There it is. And some accessories here as well, like the instruction manual right there. USB-C to USB-C cord. Some sort of a magnetic stand right there. And that's it. Now let's open up the magnetic phone clamp there. There it is. Has this back part as well. Cushiony, I think it's a little adhesive there as well. It also comes with a couple more magnetic parts right there. And that's it. Let's pick up the plastic here. There it is. Pretty impressed by this. Pretty small. Now let's go ahead and try to open this. So on the back of this is number 1. So let's open this guy up. And it has this parts right here, which then opens up the back part like so. Boom. On the sides, it has an analog right here, a record button and a power button right there. Then also a zoom slider. The phone clamp literally just clamps onto there like so. So you'll be able to put your phone there. Pretty strong magnet as well. Now to put it on, it's really easy as well. You just put this holder like so. Make sure that it's also in the middle-ish on the back. You just plop it down like so, magnetically. Boom. You turn on your Powervision S1. It'll calibrate itself like so. And you're pretty much good to go. Now let's go ahead and download the Vision Plus S1 app, and this is how we're gonna control the Powervision S1 so that we can get the full capabilities. We're gonna go ahead and sign up as well and make a new account. Once we make a new account, we're gonna turn on the Powervision S1 and we're gonna connect it to the app, which is really easy. Once you're ready to go, let's hit the red shoot button, and here it is. We're gonna get some tutorials on how to use the Powervision S1. One of the best features I think that I love about the Powervision S1 is the gesture control and also the AI tracking. Here, as you could see, I'm doing AI tracking right now and gesture controls. Taking photos is really easy without touching the phone at all. You'll be able to do that like so. And then if you want to take videos, you just do a gesture control once again, the L gesture, and you'll be able to start recording videos. Again, no touching the phone at all, not touching the Powervision at all. You'll be able to just do gesture controls and be able to correct and start and stop recording, take photos, and also AI tracking, be able to track your face. There are a few features as well, like time-lapse, slow motion, video, photo, and also panorama, which is really good usage, but it's not really useful for me. I think the AI tracking and the gesture controls are the must-have of this Powervision S1. They also have Beautify, and you could change your recording up to 4K 60 frames per second, depends on what kind of phone you have, which is really good. It is capable of doing that on the app. It also has Beautify, which only works on 1080p, and then there's also the filters, the built-in filters that they have, which is, I think it's okay, but like I said, I don't use that kind of stuff. Now, if those of you who are more of a creative and you are more technical on pro video and all that stuff, you'll be able to control that here, like white balance, shutter speed, ISOs, you'll be able to control all that right on the app. So you don't need an extra app to do that. The Powervision Vision Plus S1 app will be able to do all that. So here it is. We have the gesture control turned on right now, and I'm doing the vertical recording, and we're gonna go upstairs and see how well it does. We're just gonna casually walk here, and let's see if it's gonna catch me really well. I'm just holding it properly as well, very arm's length right there. Going up the stairs now. Let's see how well it does. Just gotta put the cup back to the kitchen, right? Boom. There it is. Again, everything is controlled automatically by the Powervision. I don't have to do anything. It does everything for me. Just gotta hold the gimbal, that's all. And as you can see, it's able to follow my face. Keep it somewhat in the middle as well, which is really nice. Now let's try horizontal. Let's see how well it does. Now you do have to keep it a little bit higher so that you could see more of eye level. But it's okay, it does really well as well, as you could see here. Now it doesn't do well in the dark. Tends to kind of lose my face. But for the most part, if it's a well lit area, outdoors or whatever, it'll be able to follow me, which is really good. There it is. Let's go upstairs now. Really nice. Go down. Ooh. Yeah, it's really doing well here. Tilt up. Boom. Boom. Let's go faster. See if it'll lose me. Nope. Really good. Now for those of you who are doing TikTok as well, you'll be able to just flop it on the, standing up, and you'll be able to do your thing, do some dance, right? Boom, boom, boom. Which is really nice, pretty useful. You don't have to be, you don't have to flop your phone, put a stand, a random stand or something like that. You just need one thing, Powervision S1, and you'll be able to be good to go. Do your thing. It'll follow you with the AI tracking and gesture controls so that you can stop and start recording without going towards your phone, which is really good. Now, of course, you can also use the stand so that you can have it mounted on your car. You just use the 3M tape on the back so you can stick it on the dash, and then you just use this part to clamp it on there, and that's really it. Pretty simple design. It works both ways, and if you're done, just pull this out and use this on your Powervision and you'll be good to go. So here it is. This is the gimbal connected to the phone holder here, and you could do a portrait or landscape by clicking the power button twice. There you go. Pretty easy, as you could see there. Now it is good left to right because of the range here. It's awesome. You could still shoot from the bottom there, as you could see. It is pretty limited though for this part right here because of this stem right here, but it does work really well, as you could see there. It doesn't hit. It prevents it from hitting the phone at all, which is really good, as you could see there. It has this joystick as well that you can use to rotate the gimbal up and down as well, as you could see there. Do some pan outs if you want. Now on the bottom it does have stand as well. You just pull this out like so, extend that out, and then the back also has a little kickstand like so, and then you'll be able to keep your phone standing up like so, which is really good. Put it away is really easy as well. tuck it away, and it would look like this. There's also a tripod mount on the bottom if you want to mount it somewhere. Put it away is really easy as well. You just take off the phone stand right here and put everything back like so. Twist it back down. This will just get tucked in back here, and then close it back down, and you're ready to go. Now if you want to charge on the go wirelessly, all you need to do is hit the power button for 1 second like so, and then you take your phone and you're just place it down right there, and as you could see, it is charging. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Powervision S1 3-axis gimbal for your smartphone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend this for people who want a minimalist design for their 3-axis gimbal and bring it everywhere, pocketable, and also a charger for your phone. And it's very versatile as well, the magnetic casing that they have. You don't need to have this holder. You could just have a case for it so that you can use it for a car mount as well, like so that you can plop it here, plop it on your car, and you'll be ready to go to mount your phone. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.